installed the Pleatco Advanced ULTRA in this Pentair Clean and Clear 320 Plus filter about 1 year ago. I'm going to take them out and show you what they look like after 1 year of not cleaning these 4 cartridges. So a year ago I got 4 of the Pleatco Advanced ULTRA cartridges for the Clean and Clear 320 filter, and I was going to let it run for a year without cleaning it, and I was going to show the results of it after 1 year, which is this video here. So I installed them in March last year, and I cleaned them in March this year. So this is the second test with the Pleatco Advanced ULTRA. I did another test where I had a single cartridge filter and I let it go for 7 months. You can see that video also on my channel. And this is a year-round pool here. So this filter's been running all year with the same cartridges without being cleaned. Gonna make the lid off here. So you can see after a year of being in here without being cleaned that they're pretty dirty. And this is a special cartridge filter made by Pleatco. This is the most advanced cartridge filter on the market today. Let me go ahead and clean them and see how they clean up after 1 year of being in this filter without being cleaned. And I was really surprised at how easily the dirt came off the cartridge after being on there for 1 year. I'm using the Aqua Comb filter cleaning tool. So these cartridges were not pre-soaked in any solution or cleaner. I just took them right out of the filter and I'm hosing them off right here. And it's pretty amazing how clean they're coming out. The dirt's coming right off the cartridges, and you can see that these cartridges do pick up a lot of dirt. And I think the fact that these pleats stay rigid without the bands on there add to the ability of it picking up all the dirt. And I increased the speed of this clip to show you the cleaning of the other 3 cartridges. I think the fact that there are no bands on the cartridges make them very easy to clean. And you can see the dirt just pouring off these cartridges. So you can see that these cartridges were pretty filthy after being in there for a year of normal use. Of course, I don't recommend leaving your cartridge filters in your filter for 1 year without cleaning them, but the Pleatco Advanced ULTRA definitely passed the test. And you can clearly see where these pleats have been reinforced by their new technology. So in less than 5 minutes, you see how thoroughly clean the Pleatco Advanced ULTRA cartridge filters are. And I really like the fact that these cartridges have no bands. It makes it really easy to clean these cartridges. I'm going to get the lid back on the filter and fire everything back up. Leslie's Pool Supplies has been do-it-yourselfers and pool trade professionals' trusted partner since 1963, providing quality products and services to make pool care easy and solutions and expertise to do it right.